Want to install React Native? Then you have visited the right place. I'm going to demonstrate it in 5 different steps, and I try my best to make it short and precise. So let's get started. So I have opened the React Native documentation where I will follow the steps to install the React Native CLI. Let's click on the Get Started button. Here first we need to install the Chocolatey package manager to install Node.js and Java JDK. So click on Chocolatey. Then copy the following command. Now open Windows PowerShell and make sure you run it as an administrator. Next, paste the command and press the enter button. To verify that the package manager has been installed successfully, you can type choco and press enter. If it shows the version of the package manager, then it has been installed successfully. Since Chocolatey has been installed, it's time to install Node.js and Java JDK through Chocolatey. Copy the command and paste it into PowerShell. Of course, it will take some time. It also depends on the speed of your CPU and internet connection. Head to the Android Studio website to download the latest version of Android Studio. By the way, I will provide you with the links to all the websites I've used in the tutorial. Once you have downloaded it, open the Android Studio. The installation process is very simple. Just click on the next button and specify the location where you want to install it. For instance, I just want to change the default location. After changing the location, just select next. Click on the finish button. Select next. Here are the required files which you have to download in order to work with the Android Studio. So select next, read the license agreement and then choose accept. Lastly, select finish. Wait for it until it downloads all the required files. To verify that all the required files have been downloaded, you can navigate to SDK Manager. Make sure that in the SDK platforms, the Android 14 API level has been installed. In SDK Tools, the following files should be installed. Once you have verified them, now verify the virtual device as well. Once you are satisfied with the verification, it is time to add the parts of various folders to the system environment variables. This is a crucial part. If you fail to perform it, you cannot run the React Native CLI project. Search for system variables in the search bar. Select environment variables. Click on the new button. In the name field, type Android Home or in caps lock. In the variable values field, provide the location of the Android SDK. To find the location of the SDK, you can go to the C drive, select the user folder, then select the current user. go to app data, open the local folder, then select Android and then open SDK. Copy the path and paste it in the variable value. Now double click on the path variables. Here we have to provide the path of the emulator, build tools and SDK. That's it. Click OK and it's done. Now open your favorite editor. Personally, I use VS Code. Open any folder. Go to the terminal of VS Code and now copy the code and paste it into the terminal. Hit enter and select Y. Wait for it until it downloads the files. Now you can type npm start to start the server. Select the device and wait for it. That's it guys. I hope that it helps you a lot. If you encounter any issues, let me know about it in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe.